Welcome to our woodworking channel, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a complete novice or a seasoned hobbyist, our aim is to inspire and guide you through the fascinating world of woodworking. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of projects tailored specifically for beginners, focusing on many wooden creations that not only hone your skills, but also have the potential for profitability. We believe that woodworking is not just about making things. It's about expressing yourself and bringing your ideas to life. Join us as we embark on this journey together, exploring various techniques, materials, and designs that will elevate your woodworking game. In each episode, we'll dive into a wide array of projects, from charming home decor items to practical wooden crafts that can be sold for profit. You'll learn essential skills like cutting, sanding, finishing, and more, all while discovering tips and tricks to make your woodworking experience enjoyable and rewarding. Our content is designed to be accessible, with step-by-step instructions and helpful visuals to ensure you can follow along with ease. We also encourage community engagement, inviting you to share your progress, ask questions, and connect with fellow woodworkers. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's transform wood into beautiful, functional art together. If you're enjoying our content and finding inspiration in our woodworking projects, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos and never miss out on new tips, techniques, and creative ideas. Don't forget to like and share our videos with friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Your support helps us grow and reach more aspiring woodworkers like yourself. We also encourage you to stay tuned until the end of each video, as we often include bonus tips, troubleshooting advice, and sneak peeks of upcoming projects that you won't want to miss. Together, we can build a vibrant community of makers who share a passion for woodworking. Mini wooden projects. Mini wooden projects are an excellent way for beginners to dive into woodworking. Unlike larger projects that require significant time, space, and resources, many projects allow novice woodworkers to start small and build their skills incrementally. This approach not only helps in mastering essential techniques, but also fosters creativity without overwhelming the beginner. These projects typically involve simple tools and materials, making them accessible for anyone interested in woodworking as a hobby or potential side business. As the woodworking market grows, so does the demand for unique, handcrafted items. Beginners can leverage this trend by creating small-scale projects that appeal to a wide audience, turning their passion into profit. Why choose mini projects? Choosing mini projects is particularly advantageous for beginners due to their manageable size and scope. These projects can usually be completed in a short time frame, allowing for quick experimentation and learning. For someone just starting, the simplicity of mini projects means less risk of frustration and burnout compared to larger, more complex builds. Additionally, the lower material costs associated with smaller items make it easier to experiment without significant financial investment. This low-risk environment encourages creativity and the development of personal style, which is essential for anyone looking to establish themselves in the woodworking community or market. Home decor items. Creating home decor items is one of the most popular avenues for beginner woodworkers. Projects like wooden coasters, picture frames, and decorative shelves not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space, but also have a broad market demand. These items can be tailored to suit various tastes and styles, from rustic to modern, which makes them highly versatile. By focusing on home decor, beginners can tap into a consistent market, as people are always looking for unique pieces to personalize their living spaces. Moreover, the emotional connection people have with decor items can lead to repeat customers and word-of-mouth referrals, further boosting sales potential. Market potential for mini projects. The market for handmade wooden items is thriving, driven by a growing consumer interest in unique and personalized products. Many buyers are drawn to the charm of handcrafted items, preferring them over mass-produced alternatives. This trend presents an excellent opportunity for beginners to enter the market with their mini projects. By targeting local craft fairs, online marketplaces like Etsy, and utilizing social media platforms, beginners can effectively reach potential customers. Building an online presence, showcasing their work, and engaging with followers can help generate buzz and drive sales. The growing appreciation for artisanal products means there is significant potential for profit, especially for those who can carve out a niche in the crowded marketplace. Job creation opportunities. As beginners gain experience and grow their woodworking businesses, they may discover opportunities to create jobs within their communities. Starting small can lead to increased demand, allowing for the expansion of production capabilities. This growth can create positions for family members, friends, or local artisans, contributing to job creation in the area. By fostering a collaborative environment, beginners can not only enhance their own businesses, but also support local economies. As they scale, they can explore partnerships with local shops or markets, increasing their reach and impact. This potential for job creation underscores the broader benefits of small woodworking ventures, making them a valuable addition to any community. Seasonal decor. Creating seasonal wooden decor items, such as holiday ornaments or themed signs, is a fantastic avenue for beginners to explore. These projects allow for creativity and experimentation with different designs and styles. Seasonal items often have a ready market, as consumers are always looking for unique decorations to enhance their celebrations. By producing these items in batches, beginners can take advantage of peak seasons, maximizing their sales potential. The emotional connection people have with holiday decorations can lead to repeat customers, as they seek out new items each year to add to their collections. This project can be both fun and profitable, with the potential for significant returns during the holiday season. Custom signs. Personalized wooden signs for homes or businesses are highly sought after in the current market. Beginners can start with simple designs and gradually tackle more intricate projects as their skills improve. Custom signs allow for a high degree of personalization, which can attract a diverse clientele looking for unique decor or branding solutions. The process typically involves cutting, sanding, and painting or engraving, which can be accomplished with basic tools. By promoting these custom signs through social media and local markets, beginners can carve out a niche for themselves. As the demand for personalized home decor continues to grow, the potential for profitability in this area is substantial. Profitability considerations. When considering the profitability of many wooden projects, it's essential for beginners to evaluate several factors. Pricing should reflect not only the cost of materials, but also the time invested in crafting each item. Researching market trends and competitor pricing can provide valuable insights into setting competitive prices while ensuring profitability. Additionally, maintaining high-quality craftsmanship can justify higher price points, attracting discerning customers who appreciate artisanal work. Beginners should also consider the potential for scaling production. Items that can be made in batches will often yield higher profits. By carefully assessing these factors, beginners can create a sustainable business model that maximizes their financial returns. Marketing strategies. Effective marketing strategies are crucial for the success of any woodworking venture. Beginners can utilize social media platforms to showcase their creations, engage with potential customers, and build a loyal community. High-quality photos and compelling storytelling about the craftsmanship behind each piece can create emotional connections with buyers. Additionally, attending local craft fairs and markets can provide opportunities for direct interaction with customers, allowing for immediate feedback and sales. Building an online store can also expand reach beyond local markets. By leveraging various marketing channels and consistently engaging with their audience, beginners can enhance their visibility and drive sales. Building a brand. Establishing a strong brand identity is vital for beginners looking to stand out in a competitive market. Consistency in quality, design style, and customer service can help create a recognizable brand that resonates with consumers. Beginners should consider what unique value they bring to the market, whether it's sustainable practices, unique designs, or personalized service. Developing a cohesive visual identity, including a logo and branding materials, can enhance professionalism and attract customers. By focusing on building a brand that reflects their values and craftsmanship, beginners can create a loyal customer base that supports their growth over time. Essential tools for beginners. For those new to woodworking, understanding the essential tools is crucial for success. Beginners should start with basic tools such as a saw, sander, drill, and measuring tape. Investing in a quality set of hand tools can significantly enhance the crafting process. Power tools, while not necessary for small projects, can save time and improve accuracy as skills develop. Additionally, safety gear, such as goggles and gloves, should always be part of a beginner's toolkit. Understanding how to use these tools properly will not only ensure safety, but also lead to better craftsmanship and finished products. Sourcing materials. Finding the right materials is a vital step in any woodworking project. Beginners can start by sourcing affordable wood from local hardware stores, lumber yards, or even reclaimed wood from old furniture. Each type of wood has its unique properties, affecting both aesthetic and durability. Understanding these differences can help beginners make informed choices that align with their project goals. Additionally, exploring online marketplaces or local suppliers can uncover unique materials that set projects apart. By being resourceful in sourcing materials, beginners can keep costs low while enhancing the quality of their work. Techniques for finishing. Finishing techniques are essential for elevating the look and durability of wooden projects. Beginners should familiarize themselves with various finishes, such as stains, paints, and sealants. Each finish offers different aesthetic qualities and levels of protection against moisture and wear. Learning how to properly apply these finishes can significantly enhance the final product, making it more appealing to buyers. Experimenting with different techniques, including sanding between coats or using brushes versus spray applications, can yield unique results. Mastering finishing techniques not only improves the appearance of projects, but also increases their market value. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and hope you found the content inspiring and helpful for your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to like the video and share it with your friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Your support not only motivates us to create more content, but also helps spread the joy of woodworking to others who may be looking to explore their creativity. We love hearing your feedback, so feel free to leave comments or questions below. We're excited to connect with you and support you in your crafting adventures. Stay tuned for more projects and tips, and happy woodworking!